Hi guys, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I'm gonna show you guys what's inside my luggage. Husband and I decided to take a vacation in the Philippines. I did not mention anything in YouTube and my social media accounts because I want to surprise my family back home. So here's the stuffs that we're going to take with us to the Philippines. This is my first try packing. We only have 100 pounds free luggage for both of us, and maybe we'll pay for the excess. I have few clothes to pack to give away. I might leave behind the other stuffs, but I feel like this is too much. Hi guys, today is my day 2 packing. I need to redo it all the clothes here because I have a lot of clothes in the bag in a suitcase. So let's get started guys. This is a shoes for my father. Tapos ito naman, this is my old camera na binigay ni husband last December 2015. No, December 2013. So it was my first Christmas in the US. So this is the Canon T3i. I'm going to give this to my sisters. I don't feel like giving this away, but I have different camera, so it's better to share to our family, especially the sisters. Para naman may magandang pictures sila. So, intact pa dito yung CDs, may receipt pa siya, tapos may receipt, manual, yung user guide, T3i. Tapos, yung camera, ilalagay ko lang dito, saglit lang. Too much clothes, too much stuff. So maybe I'm going to send balikbayan box later this year. That's a lot. So good luck for us. Sa excess baggage namin. So thank you so much guys for watching, and that's all for right now. And hindi ko na lang sa inyo ipapakita ang damit ni husband kasi ayaw kasi niya. Sana nag-enjoy po kayo. Nag-enjoy po kayo sa panonood guys. And daghang salamat sa tanaw-tanaw. Si husband yun. Thank you so much guys. I will see you on my next video. Bye!